For our project, we researched the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum has two parts. One is the rough, and the other is the smooth. There are several differences in each of them. They are thought to be continuous. You can tour the endoplasmic reticulum on Mondays to Thursdays from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., and on Friday, the museum's hours are from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. The museum is closed on Sundays and on holidays. During visiting hours, you will learn a lot of important information about the ER. Hello, I'm your tour guide. Today I'm going to go over a brief overview of the information you will learn if you come and visit the Endoplasmic Reticulum Museum. If you follow me, you will receive all of the information that you need. The endoplasmic reticulum is a system of membranous tubes and sacs. The endoplasmic reticulum functions primarily as an intracellular highway, paths along which molecules move one part of the cell to another. The ER is found in both plant and animal cells. If the ER does not function properly, or it does not fold the proteins properly, it can lead to Parkinson's disease or Alzheimer's. Next, we will learn about the first part of the endoplasmic reticulum, which is the rough ER. For those of you that do not know what the rough ER is, it is a eukaryotic organelle made up of system tubes and sacs. It has ribosomes attached to it. Under the microscope, its surface appears to be rough, hence the name. The rough ER manufactures membranes and proteins. In pancreatic cells, the rough ER produces insulin. The rough and smooth ER are usually interconnected, and the proteins and membranes made by the rough ER move into the smooth ER to be transferred to other locations. The rough ER cells are found in digestive glands and antibody-producing cells. When the rough ER works with the membrane bound, ribosomes take polypeptides and amino acids and continue to assemble proteins. Proteins are produced for the plasma membrane, Golgi apparatus, plant vacuoles, lysosomes, and the ER itself. Next, we will learn about the ribosomes on the rough ER. The ribosomes that are located on the rough ER produce digestive enzymes. They accumulate on the inside of the ER. Little sacs or vesicles then pinch off from the ends of the rough ER and store the digestive enzymes until the cell releases them. The rough ER is most helpful in cells that produce large amounts of protein for export, such as cells in digestive glands and antibody-producing cells. The second part of the endoplasmic reticulum that we will learn about is the smooth ER. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is tubular and lacks proteins. The functions of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum are lipid synthesis, carbohydrate metabolism, calcium concentration, drug deoxification, and the attachment of receptors on the cell membrane of proteins. Drug detoxification is if drugs or alcohol are abused, more smooth endoplasmic reticulum is produced. In order to deoxify drugs, the smooth ER doubles in surface area. In the heart muscles, the smooth ER releases calcium. The release of calcium stimulates contraction in the muscle of the heart. About 50% of the total membrane surface in an animal cell is produced by the ER. The ER is found in both eukaryotic animal and plant cells. The ER works as a checking mechanism. If the checking mechanism malfunctions, it could send out flawed proteins. If flawed proteins exit the cell, this could result in one form of cystic fibrosis. Another dysfunction could be the accumulation of cholesterol in cells. Once the proteins travel through the ER, they are pushed to the Golgi apparatus to be finished.